going on in Brooklyn and beyond? It's New Year's Eve. Let's make this day a great day. Close out 2024. Brooklyn. But we're going to Manhattan. So I think I'm gonna take all my video today with this, which I'm using the GoPro Hero 12 Black. Everything is in HDR, 60 frames per second, 4K. Sorry, 30 frames per second, 4K, because HDR doesn't do 60 frames per second on the GoPro Hero 12 Black. I don't know why. Brooklyn. Oh, and if I take any pictures, they'll be with the Nikon Z30 in my 24mm 1.7. So far, slow day. Dog's having fun though.
Going up.
Alright, so now I think we're gonna take a nice little walk over to the east side, all the way to the east side of Robert Moses Park, probably. Let's go. We got art in the parking garage. Oh, that's a hotel. Oh, I know that hotel too. All right, maybe I should get a shot. Got a picture over there too. Let me pull out my camera and get some shots. So everything I'm shooting in grayscale because I want to look at the grayscale. I'm trying to work on my composition. I don't think I'm doing really good at it yet, but I'm working on it. But I'm also shooting in RAW, so if I want to get the color version, I can always get the color version. Benefit of shooting JPEG and RAW. Alright, let's see if I can find a way to get this shot. With all the scaffolding up there. Alright, coming up on the United Nations now. Hey, white pigeon. Coming up on the United Nations now, so the park is right around the corner from the United Nations. Alright, so here by the UN now. UN right there. Let me see how wide this GoPro can shoot, because it's just a regular lens, not the Max Lens Mod 2.0, but it's a regular lens. But my Nikon, like I said, I'm using a 24mm and it's just not wide enough. So let me try and get a shot. Okay, so that wide shot, I was able to get the building and this little half structure and the main building in. So see, GoPro. Okay, I took one picture with the GoPro, 2 pictures I think, with the GoPro, and with the Nikon. Sorry. Alright, so just about at Robert Moses Park. But I think what I'm gonna do after this is take a walk over to the park. It's on the other side of the FDR, so I have to walk around, come back to First Avenue. I think I walk down to like 38th Street, and then yeah, then I can go to the park on the other side and get some shots from over there. You get to see the Queens skyline from over that side. But right now, we're walking into Roscoe Boatwright Park. I don't have the ball, so I ain't gonna shoot nothing. Let's see, here we go. Robin Hood's playground. Probably can't read anything on there, but we're here. Ooh, someone got a ball. Ooh, and he hit the shot. Alright, but let me get some shots of the hoop and bounce. They got the nets up. They got the nets fixed. That's what's up. Alright, let me get some shots. Alright, so I don't know what's going on with my battery, but my Nikon battery just went from 3 bars to 2 bars to red. So I think I do have my portable charger on me, so I might just throw it on there, and while I'm walking over there, at least charge it a little bit. I don't know how much it's gonna work, well, how much life is gonna get me. We're on right now I'm on 42nd Street, go down to 38th. Not long of a walk, but at least it'll give me some juice. Alright, thank goodness for Anchor. So, give my camera a charge while I walk. This is one of my old Anchor ones, but it's still pretty solid. Taking a lot of falls, still ticks. Got a little scrape there, but gotta plug it into my camera, and hopefully by the time I get to the park, got a little bit of juice. And for the record, the GoPro is at 78%. So since I left the house, it was at 100%. Now it's at 78%. So I don't have any backup batteries for either camera on me. So we'll make it. We'll make it. Okay, so I was a block off. So to get to this park, you gotta walk down 37th Street. So turn down First Avenue and 37th. And entrance is over there, right under that overpass. That overpass, I don't know how long you've been subscribed or been watching my videos, but a long time ago, we went through, and there used to be like a bunch of homeless people down there. So it looks kind of clean right now, but we'll see. We can still cross through it, cross by it. And it looks like it's pretty cleaned up. I think last time I came by here was pandemic time, so I guess tough times are rough. They're rough now still, but you know, it looks so bad right now. Someone cleaned up. Yeah, they really cleaned up in here. There used to be like a homeless tenement over here, so I guess people felt threatened, had to clean up. Stop here, wait for cars, because you will get hit over here, but no cars. All right. And here we are. And I will get a shot of this on the GoPro. Alright, so that's like full 5 shots using the GoPro versus using my Nikon. The Nikon is charging, it went up to 2 bars. It's probably not a full 2 bars. So I'll let it charge a little longer while I walk. You know, a lot of people like to run down this park, but there's not a lot to see. But I guess it's Manhattan, you get what you get and you don't get upset. This beach walk too. This is the little way to get away from being in the Anvil Empire on that side. Across the street, get water. Alright, so you can see a little behind us over there. That's where we just came from. That's the UN by 42nd Street. This is a little peaceful. Get away, come in home. You get to look over Long Island City in the Queens Zone. It's a nice, relaxing park, nice and quiet. Good getaway. Great getaway. Even though there's still broken glass everywhere. Broken glass. Ooh. Look at this thing. Alright, 62%. Got a bunch of pictures, but I've never been to the other side of the park, so let me walk and see what's down there. I hope it's not just the entrance to the boats. New York waterways. Here go the chopper coming in. They do got a helipad over here. So yeah, no drones allowed. They got longer lenses than me. Jimmy Carter died, so got the flags, half mast. Yep. We're here by East 34th. Is it 34th Street already? I guess I'm on East 34th Street. Another chopper coming in. Pardon you. This is for a shot. Hey, I think I messed that up. Oh, birds. Got some shots of the birds, but yeah, I think that's pretty alright. Like organized confusion. Alright, let's keep on moving. So yeah, let's get back moving. Alright. I missed it coming off too. I think I got it. Maybe I got it. We'll see with the pictures. Alright, but let me cross. Let's get out of here. Got the green light. That's a structure I haven't seen before. I guess I don't come over here at all. Hassonfield Children's Hospital. It's part of NYU. See if I can get a shot of that dog. That dog with a taxi on his nose. Alright, GoPro's at 54%. So I think I'll walk back up to the 40s. Don't know if there's anything else really to take a picture so I can let my camera charge. See, we made it, we survived. And yeah, let's keep on moving. Alright, just cutting through this park over here. Because I never did. Cutting through this park over here because I never did. Looks like just for kids. Is there another way out? Do I go back up to the front? Oop. Guess I gotta go back out to the front. Next street. Okay, now we know. 36 First Ave. Kids Park. Don't go there. Now I know this thing is bugging. Ain't no way I just been walking for 16 minutes. No way. No way, no way, no way. It took me 16 minutes just to get from the UN, go through a park, come all the way down here to 2nd Avenue and 36th Street. No way. No way. Ooh, they got basketball courts here. No pets. St. Veritan Park. Oh, nice to know. Glass backboards. Beautiful. Oh, and I am just using the GoPro, like I said. No media mod, so no wireless mics. How's my sound sounding today? You good? Last day of the year. Let me splurge a little bit for lunch. Yeah. Alright, well, that's it for today. Time to head back to Brooklyn. I kind of wanted to take a walk across the Manhattan Bridge, but next year. Alright, Brooklyn Salute. I'm out. Happy 2025. Happy New Year and Brooklyn Salute. I'm out.